This is a Quantum power chair, Quantum 6-edge power chair, fully loaded. It has less than 1 mile on it, so it's in new condition. Very sharp looking with the matching hubs, matching the color of the chair. Less than 1 mile on it. It has the 10-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric legs. It has other features which we'll cover as we go along. On this chair, all the electric features have to be worked through the joystick. So you would go to your joystick right here. Right now we're on speed number 1. If you see with a P1, that's speed number 1. By pushing this knob forward, now we're on speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and the 5th time you push it, you'll have a picture of the seat. Whatever is yellow is what's going to be moving on your joystick. So I'm going to move the joystick sideways. You'll see it moves. Now we have the legs in the back. Now we have the tilt. And now we have just the seat lift. So if I push the thing backward, now we've got what is called a 10-inch seat lift. So as you see it going up, I'm going to show you the joystick is also a nice swing away joystick which can be put on the right. It can also be put on the left. So here's your 10-inch seat lift going up right now. We're almost there. Then we're going to drive the chair while the seat is elevated. So now we've got the 10-inch seat lift. I'm going to put the chair on drive. And the chair will still drive at about 2 miles an hour, or 1 or 2 miles an hour. Not a fast speed. This is your top speed right here. So you can see the speed it was going. So the chair will drive with the seat elevated. So you can see this seat is an X-frame seat. You have 2 X's here and 2 on the opposite side, so it gives you a lot of stability on your seat. You've got 14-inch non-skid wheels with matching aluminum rims to the color of the chair. We've got anchor points here and here. You got 2 on each side to tie your chair down, and they're to the frame, so they're solid. You've got a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own motor on each side. If you need to put this chair in neutral and you want to roll it right now, you can't. It's in gear. You would turn the power off, and you would do both motors on both sides, push the levers down, and you're in neutral. Both sides. Put it back up, and you're back in gear. Turn your power back on, and you're back into power. This chair has fantastic suspension. If you look at the suspension in front, you can see the suspension on the front here. And this suspension is adjustable by turning this ring in the bottom. You can adjust the tightness of the suspension. So you got 2 heavy-duty shocks in front, and you've got the same shock in the back right here. For the back suspension, it can be adjusted right here. Alright, so now we've got the seat lift. This is your 10-inch seat lift. Next thing we're going to talk about is the electric tilt. So this would be your electric tilt going back. Now, as we're tilting back, I'm going to talk about the arms. The arms do flip out of the way. Both arms can be flipped up, so if you need to transfer from the side, there'll be nothing obstructing your transfer and all that. These are nice arms. They're about 3 inches wide. So this is your electric tilt right there. And if you need your legs up also, this would be your legs going up. And these legs are adjustable. We can adjust them right here. There's 2 screws right here. We can let them out or bring it in. Right now it's set up for a person 6 foot tall, but we can adjust these any length that we want. They'll still be electric, but we can adjust the length of them. So the legs are all the way up. You see how they're going out now a little bit too? So this will be your tilt and your legs up. And if that's too tilted, because you want to have a little bit of, you want your legs higher, just bring the tilt down like this, so you're not completely tilted. And this position here, you'd still be higher with your legs and your body if you need to. Have your legs higher than your body. So I'm going to bring this back down, and I want to do the electric recline. So now we've done the 10-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, the electric legs, and now what I'm going to do is the electric recline. So now the electric recline is only the back going back electrically. So this is the back going back. So if you're laying in your chair and you want to see what it looks like, sleeping in your chair with your legs up, so this is pretty much flat now. This is your electric back, and let me see if the legs will go up some more. No, they're all the way. All right, so now we've got your electric back recline and your electric leg. So that's what you're looking at if you're going to be laying down in your chair. Now we're going to talk about the seating system. This is 20 wide by 19 deep. We can adjust these seats, so if this is not big enough or too big, let us know. It's the same thing with the arms. We can bring them in. We can adjust the seat to your height and weight. The foot plate do flip up for easy exit, and if you want to get them all the way under your chair, you would just go back to your functions and bring your legs all the way under, like I'm doing right now. So when you get out, you have nothing in your way. It's pretty much nothing in your way. When you drive the chair outside, though, you need to have those legs out, if you're outside, at least this far, so it gives you more ground clearance under here, so if you're outside. So again, you do have a safety belt. This is a Synergy cushion, very nice cushion. It's got some gel in the back, a little bit of gel. 20 wide, 19 deep. The arms do flip up like I mentioned earlier. The back of the chair, we've got what's called an attendant control, which can be removed from here. If I want to drive this chair, all I have to do is hit this button right here, and now I can drive this chair from here right into my wall. Look at that. So I can drive the chair right here. I can make it turn. I can do all the functions that you can do in the front. I can do from this attendant control. So this is already on here. It can be taken off if you don't need that on there. It's already on there. You've got a fully adjustable headrest. It's adjustable. It's got many points for adjusting right here. They can be tightened up also. If I tighten it up right here, then we won't have any play. So this is your headrest right here. And you've got your arm posts here. Other than that, this chair does have 2 batteries. Let me put the power back on. Go to second speed. Turn the chair around. Now, this is a mid-wheel drive, so this chair will turn on the length, on its own length. So whatever you have in length, you can turn all day long like this. It'll turn a circle without moving. I can go like this all day long without moving. Okay? The batteries in this chair, there's 2 batteries. They're 55 amp batteries, group 22. They come out from the front. All Quantum chairs, the batteries come out from the front. There's 2 levers in the front. They're in the bottom right here. You squeeze the levers together. This blue front plastic cover will come off, and the 2 batteries will slide out. You do have to have the chair tilted or a seat elevated because you're not going to be able to get the batteries out. When you charge this chair, take your Quantum charger, plug it right in here. As soon as the light turns green, you're fully charged. The charger will recognize when the batteries are full. You don't have to worry about overcharging. The charger will stop charging automatically when the batteries are full. So this beautiful Q6 Edge power chair has less than 1 mile. It has the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs, and the electric tilt. And it has a swing away feature right here. It has a 20 by 19 cushion, has the attendant control in the back. Fantastic chair, new, just about new condition, ready to go. So this chair top speed is a little less than 5 miles an hour, 4.9, 4.8, almost 5 miles an hour. Fully loaded, very, very sharp looking chair, and it's ready to go. This is Mark with Mark's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.